vegan pumpkin pie. It is fall. Fall has approached us quickly, but it's here. And what better way to kickstart fall than with pumpkin pie? Around this time of the year, I always get a really big pumpkin craving. This pie is not only really simple to make, it will satisfy that pumpkin craving, guaranteed. Let's get into the pie. So we have a store-bought pie crust, pumpkin puree, coconut milk, make sure it's canned and it's thick and full fat, brown sugar, a mix of spices, cinnamon, nutmeg, cloves, and ginger. And we also have some salt, just a touch of black pepper, cornstarch, and a blender to mix it all up. So first you add your canned pumpkin puree in the blender. Next you add your coconut milk to the blender. Then you add your brown sugar. Next you add all of your spices. Then you add your salt and pepper mixture. And lastly, you add your cornstarch to the mixture. I pulsated it a few times in the blender until I felt like it was mixed pretty well. About halfway through, I just pushed all the stuff down with the spoon just to kind of make sure it was all being blended well. Mix it up a little bit more, and then it was done. So then I poured my mixture into the pie crust. I made sure I spread it out as evenly as possible. And as you can see, the texture is still jiggly. That's how you want it. You put it in the oven for 1 hour at 350, and this is how it comes out. Beautiful golden brown. It will still be a little jiggly in the middle, but when you cool it, it'll firm up. Here she is. Here is our pumpkin pie. She is beautiful. She is the perfect texture. She is golden. She is moist. She has the perfect amount of spice. She's not too sweet, but sweet enough. It's perfect. It's perfect. This is the perfect pumpkin pie. So give this recipe a try. Let me know what you think. Try it out before Thanksgiving. Do not wait until Thanksgiving to try this pie. Make it now. And then make it again on Thanksgiving because you're gonna want to. All right guys, until next time, peace from the Millennial Vegan.